What? It's a square? I thought it would be round.
My name is Nadoka and I'm the mommy scientist. And let me show you my lab. Mommy scientist!
Konnichiwa everyone, this is Nadoka from Artech the Mommy Scientist, and today we will be making my own microscope from the Easy Papercrafts series. Did you know that you can use a microscope to see things which are invisible to the human eye? A microscope makes things look bigger by using two lenses. Now let's see what's in the kit.
The kit includes the following parts. You will also need these from home.
Now let's put everything together. Let's take a look and see what we'll find. We'll start with salt. Just put the salt on the glass slide and be sure to tape it so the salt doesn't go away. Now I wonder what it looks like. What? It's a square? I thought it would be round.
You can try checking vegetables or plants too.
Let me explain the science to you.
The objective lens, which is closer to the object, creates an enlarged image called the real image. Looking through the eyepiece lens is like looking through a magnifying glass, and you'll see an even bigger version of this image called the virtual image. This principle is what makes modern microscopes work, just like Robert Hooke's. Try looking different things at your home with this microscope and share how it looks like with your friends. But never look at the sun through these lenses or this microscope. Doing so may cause blindness.
Artech Easy Papercrafts allow you to hunt for treasure, make your own flashlights, and more with 6 enlightening hands-on science projects. Just remove the cardboard cutouts and start building with no scissors required and minimal gluing mess.
Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in our next video. Bye!